smells so good. Hey, hey!
Hey, we see you. We see you.
She got a coat, blue.
Yeah. Blue, I'm blue. There's a lot of Mustangs. I'm not gonna lie.
Hey, you can't walk there.
Hey, there's crosswalk over there.
She slapped you. Pow. I got it on video. Damn it, now I gotta edit it and I ain't got time. I gotta go to work.
Oh yeah, I gotta see if he's here.
What?
Really?
Oh, don't be rude. You gotta pretend not to see it.
Venom. That didn't make me venom.
You got all that food? You got that food?
Grab it.
Yeah. There's not delivery. There's your order. Have you ate there yet?
Yeah, I saw a girl finger banging over there.
Are you eating wings?
Yeah, wouldn't you? Loser.
Who?
He said he went home already. So
Who?
I called him a loser.
Oh.
Do that turnaround. I would do a cool turnaround, but you know how my belt is.
I don't know. How is it?
I don't know yet. I haven't tried that one yet.
What's that noise? Who was that?
Josh.
He had his own car out here?
No, he has a pickup. That's it. Wait, does he have a beer? Ooh, got ramps.
Oh, we're breaking. How's that cup staying up there? That food looks good. I'm so hungry.
You are?
No.
It's like, I ate with my wife.
Did you?
I paid for my dad's. He invited himself.
Oh.
I can outrun this one.
Any message to anybody now? He's turning. He's got room.
What?
That car in front of us.
Here's a Mustang. This is 289 car. This has got a V8. Small block V8. Sounds good.
You guys got all cool cars, but can't.
Ah,
I saw it.
Hey, there's your Camaro we could buy.
Yeah? You guys got cool cars, but can't show them off.